Veterans in the crypto industry by now are well aware that the Dogecoin has been swimming in the deep waters for a much longer time than it has been around the shallow waters. And looking at the price performance of the token, one can presume that this streak may not end very soon. Dogecoin's next chapter is not looking good. Primarily looking at the price indicators, Doge is actually set for declining further on the charts, and this time, it isn't faring much support from the community either. The Bollinger Bands confirm the first sign of the same given the altcoin's close movement below the basis, which provides hints of bearish influence on the coin. However, Doge might not observe a steep falloff given the closeness of the bands, which exhibits low volatility, as like low chances of a price swing. Secondly, the uptrend support it had from the parabolic SAR is waning, and the indicator is on the verge of flipping into an active downtrend. But there is some recoil from the squeeze momentum indicator, according to which this is the first appearance of bullishness in more than 45 days. However, in the past, too, this indicator hasn't been fairly accurate in its prediction of an uptrend, as the green bars usually appear at the beginning of downfall and disappear into the bearishness. Plus, given the state of the broader market sphere, which has been peaking for almost a month now, it doesn't seem like the minute bullishness is going to do much for the coin. As it is even before Dogecoin has begun falling, investors are trying to load off by selling their holdings before the worst comes to pass. As per on-chain data, at the moment, there is a much higher sell-off or active in the market than there are for buying, exceeding by a margin of more than $2 million. And in their defense, the move makes sense since the asset's value has not only declined but is actually at its lowest point in forever. Naturally, investors find no reason to hold on to Dogecoin, which is reflected in their behavior. If prices fall further, which may be the most natural outcome, investors would certainly be inclined to sell more.